Let's begin with our top story. A huge setback for the Aam Aadmi Party ahead of the Delhi Assembly elections. Kailash Gehlot, a key figure in the Delhi government, has quit the cabinet. He's resigned from the party. Once the number 3 in the Delhi cabinet, when Kejriwal and Manish Sisodia were behind the bars, Gehlot had cited grave challenges that AAP is facing as the key reason for his decision. In his letter to the Aam Aadmi Party convener Arvind Kejriwal, Kailash Gehlot has slammed the party for putting political ambitions over public welfare. He has also lambasted AAP for its failure in cleaning the Yamuna River, while also highlighting controversies like Sheesh Mahal, because of which the party's image has been severely dented. Gehlot has been a key cog, remember, in the Delhi cabinet since 2015. He was holding the Transport, Home and Women and Child Development ministries. Now, reports suggest that he will be joining the Bharatiya Janata Party soon. The BJP, meanwhile, has welcomed Kailash Gehlot's decision, terming it a bold step to expose Arvind Kejriwal. The AAP, however, claims that Gehlot is stepping down and quitting the party due to the cases filed against him by the ED and CBI.
ये भारतीय जनता पार्टी की घिनौनी राजनीति और षड्यंत्र का हिस्सा है। भारतीय जनता पार्टी की सरकार ने, मोदी जी की सरकार ने उनके ऊपर ईडी के छापे मरवाए, उनको ईडी के दफ्तर में कई बार पूछताछ के लिए बुलाया, मानसिक रूप से प्रताड़ित किया। उनके घर पे इनकम टैक्स के छापे कई दिनों तक मारे गए। 112 करोड़ रुपए के भ्रष्टाचार का आरोप इसी भारतीय जनता पार्टी ने लगाया कैलाश गहलोत जी के ऊपर। तो एक दबाव उनके ऊपर बनाया गया और जिसके कारण से ये फैसला कैलाश गहलोत ने लिया है, ये भारतीय जनता पार्टी के षड्यंत्र और साजिश का हिस्सा है और अब उनके पास बीजेपी में जाने के सिवाय कोई रास्ता बचा नहीं था।
गहलोत ने सीधा सीधा आईना दिखाया है अरविंद केजरीवाल को और ये बताया है कि अरविंद केजरीवाल और उनका लुटेरों का गैंग जो दिल्ली की जनता को लूटने में लगा है, कैलाश गहलोत उसके भागीदार नहीं बनना चाहते। उन्होंने बताया कि कैसे शीश महल के नाम पर अरविंद केजरीवाल ने अपने अय्याशी का सामान जुटाया, दिल्ली की जनता के टैक्स के पैसे लगाकर उसको लूटने का काम किया और यमुना की सफाई पे 8500 करोड़ रुपए जो केंद्र सरकार ने दिए वो भी अरविंद केजरीवाल पी गए, लूट के ले गए। लेकिन दिल्ली को बद से बदतर करने का काम अरविंद केजरीवाल की सरकार ने किया और कैलाश गहलोत ने बड़ा साहसिक कदम उठाया, उसकी मैं सराहना करता हूँ। आम आदमी पार्टी के भीतर भी अब ऐसे लोग जो चाहते हैं कि दिल्ली बची रहे, वो अरविंद केजरीवाल के साथ नहीं रहेंगे।
इसका मतलब स्पष्ट है, अभी बहुत सारे राज हैं जो कैलाश गहलोत जी खोल सकते हैं और उसकी वजह से बचने के लिए उन्होंने एक विधायक को, जो स्वयं संयोजक आम आदमी पार्टी के हैं, जो पूर्व में मुख्यमंत्री रहे, उस व्यक्ति ने सवाल का जवाब ना देते हुए एक आम विधायक को ये जवाब देने की जो कोशिश की गई है, इससे कहीं ना कहीं ये स्पष्ट नज़र आता है कि केजरीवाल जी डर रहे हैं, सवाल का जवाब देने से बच रहे हैं और कहीं ना कहीं वो कौन से राज हैं जो कैलाश गहलोत जी के दिल और दिमाग में है, जिसको खोलने का डर केजरीवाल जी को सता रहा है।
All right, let me go across to my colleague Tejashri, who's joining us with more on this. Tejashri, a big setback for the Aam Aadmi Party ahead of the Delhi Assembly elections next year in February. But they are saying that it's the BJP who's conspired for Gehlot to quit the Aam Aadmi Party and eventually he will join the Saffron Party. What are you picking up as far as this entire resignation and the subsequent challenges that now arise for the Aam Aadmi Party are concerned?
Well, you see, certainly this is a massive setback, a big jolt to Aam Aadmi Party ahead of the Delhi Assembly elections. And in fact, you remember that what Kailash Gehlot has said in the letter of resignation that he has wrote to Chief Minister Atishi, and in fact his letter of resignation, his resignation has also been accepted, but he has highlighted several points. In fact, he has said that the Aam Aadmi Party who is no more an Aam Aadmi is no more an Aam Aadmi. Apart from that, he has also highlighted that no work has been done in Yamuna. Apart from that, nothing has been. In fact, he also highlighted the issue of Sheesh Mahal, and in fact said that there were a number of things that were going on. That is why he decided to resign from the party membership also, and also resign from as the cabinet minister. But you see what Aam Aadmi Party has been saying. Aam Aadmi Party has been saying that this is nothing but a conspiracy that has been hatched by the BJP, and perhaps that is why Kailash Gehlot was left with no option apart from except resigning, because there were several cases on him and the agencies were knocking his door several times. Aam Aadmi Party further said that that elections are coming, and elections Delhi is going to witness elections in just a couple of months, and this particular point at this very crucial junction, this is nothing but a conspiracy that's been hatched by the BJP, and now BJP is using its national agencies to in fact target the leaders of Aam Aadmi Party, because BJP is going to lose the elections in the national capital, is what the spokespersons and the senior leaders of Aam Aadmi Party have been saying. Now let us talk about what the BJP is saying. BJP has been saying that this is not something new that has happened in Aam Aadmi Party, and that they have said that now Kailash Gehlot has a number of secrets with him, and in fact that is why he in fact have also resigned from the party. And also not just that, but he has also BJP is also in fact alleging this particular fact that Kailash Gehlot had in fact also highlighted a number of points in his letter of resignation. Aam Aadmi Party is nothing but just a corrupt party, is what BJP has been saying. And also we just heard a Congress leader in fact also towing the same lines as to what BJP has been saying as far as this entire controversy, as far as this entire in fact resignation saga of Kailash Gehlot is concerned. But we'll have to wait and see that how this transpires, what happens next. As of now, we just know that Kailash Gehlot has resigned from the primary membership, from the cabinet as well. Both the parties of both the concerned parties have reacted to it. But what happens next? In fact, what Kailash Gehlot does, where is he going to join? Will he be will he join some party, or will he be will he be independent or leave politics? These are several questions in fact that are being raised. We'll have to see what transpires next on all of these questions.
Yes.
Back to you.
You know, Tejashree, among the list of questions that are being asked, along with, what you mentioned, is also the fact that this comes just a few months ahead of the Delhi Assembly elections. Clearly, the kind of message that goes out to the voter in Delhi is also the fact that one of the top leaders of Aam Aadmi Party, somebody who's been there from the start, has now resigned and is cited that it has become more of a corrupt party instead of an honest Aam Aadmi Party. Clearly, setting up new challenges for the party ahead of the Delhi elections as well.
Yes. Well, certainly it will be challenging for Aam Aadmi Party, because remember that Kailash Gehlot is not only just the cabinet minister but considered to be one of very senior leader within the Aam Aadmi Party, and he was the one in fact who introduced this concept of electric buses at a time when Delhi is undergoing the severe crisis of pollution. Earlier he had introduced this concept of electric buses, and in fact he has been known for introducing all such kind of innovations as far as the national capital is concerned. And also remember that he is also one of the leader who unfurled the flag on 15th of August. He was chosen by Lieutenant Governor of Delhi, Mr. V.K. Saxena, and he was in fact nominated by him to unfurl the flag, because at that particular point of time Arvind Kejriwal was lodged in Tihar jail. So this completely shows that he is a senior leader. He holds in fact a very good position in the party, and in fact the spokesperson and the senior leaders of Aam Aadmi Party have been saying the same thing, that just 15 hours back, if you go through his social media handle, then he has been campaigning on the ground in the constituencies for Aam Aadmi Party. He has been speaking against the Bharatiya Janata Party, campaigning for for Aam Aadmi Party, and making people count the work that has been done by Arvind Kejriwal. So it is in fact, it is a shock for the leaders also, because it has come suddenly, because 15 hours back his social media handle says something else. He was himself on the ground, is what the leaders say, and now we see is a social media with 2 letters of resignation, one from primary membership and one from the cabinet. Back to you.
Right. All right, Tejashree, thanks very much for joining us with all those details. You keep a close watch on this unfolding situation in the national capital. We'll keep coming back to you for the latest. Moving